Things I hear parents say about Gestalt language processors. Oh, he knows all the words to all the nursery rhymes, but he can't talk. Oh, he loves his ABCs. He can count to 10 and he can count backwards, and he loves letters and numbers. He really enjoys when I read to him. These children are Gestalt language learners, which means that they learn in chunks. And so when we teach them, we need to give them some basic scripts that we repeat again and again and again. Eventually, they get to understand the broader meaning of these scripts and generalize them into everyday life. For example, there's a little boy who I work with who says, "Get out of the house," every time that he's unhappy with the situation that he finds himself in. When Gestalt language learners parents start to listen out for things that they repeat again and again and again and think that they're not meaningful, they can discover that they are in fact an attempt to communicate in a particular situation. The more that we acknowledge the child's attempt to communicate and the more he thinks that he's being understood, the greater the chance that he will communicate more. So the best thing you can do for them is to be a narrator of their life. When they're doing something that they're enjoying, comment on what they're doing in short 3 or 4 word phrases that will be easy for them to learn. And repeat, repeat, repeat. When a child is echolalic, which means that they repeat what you say to them, it's part of Gestalt language learning. It doesn't mean that they didn't understand, but at that moment, they want to keep the communication going, but they may not have the language yet to answer in any other way but to repeat what you're saying. Again, rephrase it for them into what you think they wanted to say, and when they feel that they've been understood, they'll be much more motivated to continue to communicate.